The tools we relied on, they're gone. But the dream Ed started, that vision for true automation,
It never died. Not with our community, and not with us.
We took that blueprint, honored his mission, and engineered its most powerful evolution, GeniusOS.
Welcome to GeniusOS, the AI-powered system. Your profile becomes a 24/7 inbound lead magnet. We blueprint your ideal client. Our AI then finds them on Facebook, the exact people your business serves.
Here's one of our secrets. We let competitors do the hard work. They attract the audience. Then, we identify their best prospects for you, and our AI starts engaging. While they're chasing viral trends, you're closing deals. Automatically.
We automate your posts, stories, reels. Auto-comment, DM everyone who watches, and more. Every engagement becomes a trigger. Every trigger, a conversation. Every conversation, a potential lead. But we don't just find leads. We effortlessly auto-label, tag, and rate every single one.
We engage with their birthdays and content, keeping you hyper-relevant, always on their minds. Then, we strategically craft and post your content, growing your business on autopilot.
Then, we supercharge your reach. Attract more quality leads by boosting content with real reactions, real comments. We even know when your content needs that extra push, feel, triggering instant algorithm dominance.
You're not posting alone anymore. You're posting with unfair, undeniable power.
Now, what if you could truly see the invisible pulse of your entire business?
We track who's hot, who's ghosting. Then, auto-rank them with our proprietary system.
No more dead weight, ever. Just a hyper-converting, surgically optimized network built for your explosive growth.
And the absolute best part? You just watch the daily growth.
You no longer chase leads and try to find your next client. Our AI effortlessly brings them to you, daily. GeniusOS handles everything: targeting, smart DMs, automated follow-ups, birthday messaging, content creation, posting, boosting, lead qualifying, and auto CRM flow.
You just show up for booked appointments and help the clients we close for you.
Right now, we're opening the Founders Arena, not for everyone, just for the bold ones who move first. This isn't just software, it's your early access edge, your chance to lock in lifetime ownership at a fraction of what others will pay later. You'll get everything, full access, all features, no fluff, no future upsells, no surprises. Once you become a founder, you can stay as a customer or become an affiliate and start earning income now.
Or go all in as a reseller and earn 50% or 100% on every sale. GeniusOS is more than software. It's a movement, a new era of automation, freedom, and ownership. Fueled by obsession with results. Built by real creators. For builders who demand more. The movement is here, and the future is yours to lead. Click now and claim your place in GeniusOS history.